Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a kimchi 부침개. 부침개 is pancake. So kimchi pancake. 안녕하세요 여러분. 반갑습니다. 요즘 날씨가 여기 노스캐롤라이나는 너무 날씨가 아름답고 좋아요. 여러분 오늘은 제가 편하게 먹을 수 있는 김치 부침개를 만들어 보려고 합니다. 가장 간단한 방법으로 가르쳐 드릴게요. 잘 지켜봐 주세요. 고맙습니다. Kimchi pancake needs kimchi. That's most important thing. And then flour, water. That's it. So simple. So I'll bring my kimchi from my kimchi refrigerator. Follow me. This is my kimchi refrigerator. I do have two different kind of a kimchi refrigerator, but today I'm going to use kimchi pancake from here. Here is some, 2018, and then 2020 June, and then 2021. But I'm going to use today is this one, November 22nd, 20. Before I'm going to visit Korea, I made this one. Kimchi pancake needs really well fermented kimchi. Sour, not really sour, but still gently, sour one. So that's why I picked 2020 November 1. Okay. The color is not really pretty because this is kind of an old one, but this one makes the taste is really good. Don't make too thick or too big slice. Make a small slice like this. Like this. 얌전하게. And then I needed a little bit of kimchi juice. Okay. And then also I needed some flour. You can use any flours like a regular all-purpose flour or the potato starch will be okay. But today I'm going to use 부침가루. This 부침가루 is the pancake mix. They put salt in it, the taste is inside, so it's easy to make it. But still they do have a different type of 부침가루 also. All the different company, different names, but I'm going to use this one. 지금은 제가 이거 가루를 먼저 물로 섞어 볼 건데요. 여러분 아마 상식적으로 잘 아실 거예요. 그 부침이나 튀김을 하실 때는 차가운 물로 사용하시면 더 바삭하게 만들어진다는 거. 제가 그래서 냉장고에 찬물을 쓸게요. also 물도 1. 딱 요만큼 양이에요. 김치 요만큼, 가루 요거만큼, 그리고 물 요만큼, 딱 요만큼 할 거예요. 그리고 반죽에 저는 제가 김치 국물을 꼭 써요. 김치 국물도 좀 넣어야지 맛도 더 배이고 맛도 생겨나고 또 색깔도 좀 더 진해지니까. 그리고 또 하나 저는 색을 위해서 고춧가루를 조금 사용합니다. 여기 김치 국물을 저는 꼭 여기다 같이 써요. 그리고 김치 부침개를 만들 때 여러분 가루가 많이 들어가면 맛도 나중에 좀 이게 떡 같은 느낌이 들거든요. 그러니까 좀 물다쉽게 이렇게 반죽을 하세요. 그래서 1대 1대 2를 제가 말씀드린 거예요. 요 정도 흘러내린다, 요 정도가 될 때 더 바삭거리게 되는 거거든요. 그러니까 여러분 너무 밀가루를 많이 하지 마세요. I'm ready to make a 김치 부침개, 김치 pancake. So don't use a high temperature. Use medium heat or little less than medium heat. Be careful about your heat temperature. And then also I'll give you one tip. If you're using less the small amount of oil, that is not really crispy. So using enough oil. So I'm going to use grapeseed today, grapeseed oil, but you can use any oils like olive oil, pure olive oils or vegetable oils, anything if you have it. I'm going to use this one today. The first time, give them like this, and then later pour the oil a little bit more. And then usually people make a kimchi pancake like a big round size, big size, like this much big. But I'm going to make a small size. Easy to eat it, easy to make it. And then it's more crispier than big one. So I'll make a small size as possible. And then don't make too thick. Make thin as possible. 기름을 넣어서 with enough oil. Okay? In Korea, when on a rainy days or chilly days, the family get together. They're always thinking about the really good snack. But that time, the mommy is always thinking about the 부침개, pancake. In Korea, we do have so many different kind of pancakes, like even seafood or meat or all the vegetables. Especially the kimchi. Kimchi is most favorite 부침개. So if I making kimchi 부침개 like this, I always thinking about my memories when I was little. My mom make a lot of kimchi 부침개, especially the rainy days. Let's try to eat it. The kimchi 부침개, but still very hot. Thank you for watching my making kimchi 부침개, kimchi pancake today. It is so simple, easy to make it food like this. You can try that. Anyway, thank you so much. Still, I want to eat some more. 여러분 고맙습니다. 제가 너무 쉽게 만드는 오늘 김치 부침개를 해봤어요. 여러분은 혹시 여러분들이 더 김치 더 넣으시고 싶으면 더 넣으시고 가루를 더 원하시면 더 하셔도 된다는 거 항상 제가 말씀드리고요. 여러분 항상 건강하시고 좋은 일들 많이 있으시길 바랄게요. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. 바이바이.